This is the Tricep Pushdown machine. It'll work your pecs and your triceps. Begin by lowering the seat height to the appropriate height for you. Once you've adjusted the seat, place the appropriate amount of weight on the holders. Once you have placed the weight on the holders, sit down on the seat and lift up the leg holders and place it on the top place it down to hold your legs in the proper position. Push down and use your triceps and your pecs to push down. You can also do reverse tricep pushdowns by turning around and using the seatbelt to hold you in place. Once you've secured the seatbelt, place your hands on the machine and push down like you did before.